Hi guys, it's Channing here. Today I'm coming through with a brand new video. Not only will I be introducing you guys to a brand new hair company, but I'll also be sharing a hair tutorial using their hair for you guys, okay? So, the company is called Modern Fro. They have the cutest little box, y'all. Like, I love their color scheme. I absolutely love their logo. It's like one of the cutest logos I've seen for a hair company. But yeah, they specialize in kinky curly hair textures. I have what is called the Sheba Clip-in Set. It's for 3C hair, and it's absolutely gorgeous. It came in this little satin bag and inside of this box. As you guys can imagine, I was so excited because it's so beautiful. However, I've had this hair for over a month, so I really do apologize to Modern Fro. I definitely had a lot going on, okay? I also had this cute little wooden comb come inside of my package, plus some additional clips, just in case I mess up any of my clip-ins. Thought that was very thoughtful of them. But I'm gonna show you guys the hair now. Guys, I have worn this. I've tried it out. It's 20 inches long. Absolutely beautiful. 3C hair texture. This is called the Sheba Clip-in Set. And not only do they carry the clip-ins, but they also carry extensions. They are 100% virgin remy hair. And just so thick and just beautiful, guys. Also, guys, this is 3C hair, okay? This is true 3C hair. It did not match well with my hair. That's why I struggled quite a bit with my tutorials. I've had quite a few fail videos that I intended on sharing with you guys, you know, like some quick clips, but I actually lost all of the footage, plus, you know, the original unboxing video, which I was very upset about. But, yeah, this is real live 3C hair texture, beautiful, huge curls. Did not blend well with my hair. I have like a mix. So I have a few, you know, I have a 3C strand here and there, but for the most part, this did not blend well with my hair. So therefore, I use it for really cute styles. That's why I chose to do a hair tutorial for a ponytail look for you guys. And I really hope that you enjoy it. So let's go ahead and get into that. Okay, guys, so we're going to start with some braids. My hair's already kind of separated. It's not the neatest parts, but it really doesn't matter because it's all going up into a ponytail. After this, I'm just going to start by doing, one big braid here. And guys, I chose to do a diagonal part, but you're free to do as you wish. Just make it your own. I detangled my hair prior to coming on camera. So we should be good. I'm gonna try and get as close to the front of my head as possible, starting that braid out. Always start very loosely when braiding my hair. You guys already know why. So yeah, you guys know how to cornrow, I hope. If not, there are multiple videos on YouTube that can teach you. But yeah, I'm just cornrowing my hair. This one section, I try my best not to put a whole lot of stress on my hair, so that's what I meant by braiding lightly. So we have that one braid there. If you're not a subscriber, make sure that you subscribe and click that notification bell so that you can be notified anytime that I do post. Thanks. So here I am parting my hair at that same exact angle, and I'm making my parts a lot smaller. When I envisioned the style, I actually thought that my braids would be a lot closer together. That didn't quite work out for me, but I was able to work around it, so therefore I didn't change it. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys an up-close view of me doing this braid here. And guys, if you haven't watched my videos before, then you're not aware of this little technique that I use. I braid my hair from this angle because it does not allow me to fully grip my hair. And I find that it allows me to do a much looser braid while still accomplishing that same neat look. But of course, I have finer hair on the side, so if you don't have that issue, then definitely don't worry about it. So guys, once I complete this braid, I'm going to add some edge control to my hair. I really miss my eco styling gel, like you really don't know. I need to buy some more. And now I'm parting my hair. I'm doing an off-centered part, but it's also diagonal. I don't know what this design is that I'm really going for. I'm kind of just playing around with it. I'm going to do one large braid and one tiny, just as I did previously. And we're just hoping for the best at this moment. One thing I love about being random is that I look so confident even when I'm not even sure what I'm doing. I literally decided in this moment, oh, I'm gonna do this off-centered diagonal braid. But yeah, guys, I decided to add my edge control prior to doing my braid this time. And I'm going to show you guys up close how I did that cornrow as well. I remember looking at this braid thinking, wow, this looks so much better than my last one. And I'm such a perfectionist that I almost wanted to go back and take it a loose, but you know, I was like, we have to get this tutorial done. We can't be perfect all the time, Channing. They get the point. So yeah, now I'm just doing my part for my tiny braid, just as I did the last time. And we're going to go ahead and just zoom past this, okay? I must say, why did these braids have to be so perfect? So now I'm taking my hair loose so that I can prepare to sleek it up into a bun. And we're just gonna zoom right to that as well. So I'm sure someone wants to see this, so I decided to add just a tiny bit of the process. I used edge control and water to sleek my hair up into this ponytail. And now I will show you guys how I prepare to add my clip-ins to my ponytail. So now we will take the time out to frame our face. I think that baby hairs are most definitely needed when wearing any type of ponytail style. It just really brings the look together. So guys, here's the moment where we add our gorgeous Sheba Clip-ins from Modern Fro. As you guys can see, I have a side ponytail when I actually should have done a centered ponytail. The way that I envisioned this style was I had a side ponytail, so I instantly thought, well, I should put my hair in a side ponytail, and I should not have. Considering how big the hair is, I really could have done a centered ponytail and just pushed the hair to one side. And guys, I could be overreacting. You know how it is, sometimes you notice things and others don't. But I just find that this would be a lot easier if you guys just did a centered ponytail. That way you're not dealing with the clip-ins actually weighing down the bun that you have there. Because right now I'm adding my clip-ins to my bun and my bun isn't quite able to hold up the hair, if that makes any sense. Okay, so yeah, we're just going to jam-pack those clip-ins on top of that bun. I zoomed in to give you guys a better view of how to add the clip-ins, but it was still extremely hard to show you. But what I'm doing is I'm wrapping and I'm clipping. And sometimes I'm even clipping on top of other clip-ins. And if you've ever added a wefted ponytail to your hair, it's pretty much the same exact concept, only you're clipping. So it's as if the bobby pins are attached to the actual weft and you're just wrapping it around and clipping wrap it, clip, wrap it, clip. Very repetitive, very easy. And do you guys see that curl pattern? This hair is oh so gorgeous. I don't even know any other way of describing it. The curls are just so juicy and beautiful. And the hair is so full. And if you're going for a more realistic look, you don't have to jam pack them the way that I did. At one point, I was even adding clips on top of other clips because I really just wanted it to be overly dramatic and just huge. I was going for an extremely big puff. So yes, if you're going for a more realistic look, just use less clip-ins when applying your ponytail. So guys, now I'm done adding clip-ins. I'm just gonna fluff until I get the hair to my liking, you know. Had to make it look extra big even after the fact. So you'll see me fluffing and just playing with it a bit. So here's where I noticed the issue with my ponytail, and I was explaining everything to you guys about me using a bobby pin in order to stand my ponytail up because my bun was caving. But we've already gone over that. You understand to do a centered ponytail next time. And yeah, we're just gonna skip past this part, okay? After pinning, you know, I was still loving it. It was still gorgeous. I was still able to accomplish that look that I was going for. So, you know, it all worked out. It worked out perfectly fine. And look at those gorgeous curls, guys. Look at how big this hair is. I absolutely love it. Although my ponytail was big, I did not use a whole entire set for this style. I'm not completely sure why I did not give you guys a good view of the string prior to using it, but right now I'm using my crochet needle and I'm sticking that through my braid. I'm gonna zoom in for you. So what I did was I knotted off one end of the gold string prior to ever using the crochet needle, so that way I could wrap it around just as I'm doing right now, pull it through my braid, and basically pull the end of the string through that section of my hair and leave that knot sitting right there to basically hold my hair in place so that I could continue crocheting throughout the style. I really do apologize for this view, but I was actually trying to look in the mirror just as I was doing the tutorial. So hopefully I'll turn my head so that you guys are able to see exactly how I'm doing it. In here, I'm just pulling that string through and making sure that that knot is actually going to hold up. So guys, here we go again. I pulled that latch, I'm sticking that crochet needle through my braid. I'm going to wrap that gold string around it. Flip the latch and pull the string through. So guys, what I'm doing here is I'm using that same exact technique. I'm just trying to figure out a different design, you know, what look I'm going for, if I can do some X's, you know, what I'm capable of with this string, because like I said, I'm very new to this. Just kind of just something I came up with one day, and I'm just like, yeah, I'm going to use a crochet needle, I'm going to use some string, and I'm going to do some designs. So yeah, I'm actually very excited to see how you guys take this style and bring it to life. So here I am, just trying to make sure that my designs come out nice. I wanted it to really catch the eye, like that was so important to me, and I'm such a visionary. Like, this is what I thrive off of. And it wasn't quite what I wanted it to be, but it still wasn't bad. So yeah, I just hope that you guys like it. Okay guys, so this is the easy part. After crocheting the thread through your hair, you're going to begin to wrap the gold string around the base of your ponytail. It's very simple. Just hold it very tightly and just continue to wrap. I was kind of frustrated at this time because normally I would wrap it around a lot neater, but I was struggling quite a bit and I had a lot of hair. I actually had to get a ponytail tie and wrap it around just to keep the hair up top so that I could really wrap it around. I doubled the string to make it less difficult as well, but you get the point. Just really wrap the gold string around the base of your ponytail and that's it. So guys, that wraps up my hair tutorial and my hair vid on modern fro. I hope that you guys enjoyed it and I hope that you absolutely love this hair because I do. It is just so over the top and so beautiful. Check it out again. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big ol' thumbs up. And I will see you guys in my next video. Guys, don't forget to check out modernfro.com and check the description box for links and more info. See you in the next one.